Hello, baking enthusiasts and wellness seekers. Today, we're about to embark on a journey exploring the incredible world of baking soda and its top 12 health benefits and uses. So, grab your aprons and let's dive in. Before we unveil the top 12 benefits, have you ever wondered why your grandma always kept a box of baking soda handy? What if I told you it's not just for baking but has countless health benefits too? By the way, what is baking soda? Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white crystalline powder with versatile applications. Primarily recognized as a leavening agent in baking, it reacts with acids to produce carbon dioxide, causing dough to rise. Here are the details, let's begin. 1. Leavening agent in baking, a culinary maestro. Baking soda, the unsung hero of the kitchen, is a culinary maestro in the world of baking. Its role as a leavening agent is crucial in creating the airy and light texture that defines our favorite baked goods. When combined with acidic ingredients such as buttermilk, yogurt, vinegar, or citrus juice, a magical reaction unfolds. Carbon dioxide is released, causing the dough or batter to rise, resulting in delightful treats with the perfect crumb structure. From fluffy cakes to risen bread, baking soda transforms ordinary recipes into extraordinary culinary delights, earning its esteemed place in the baker's arsenal. 2. Household cleaner, a versatile scrubber. Beyond the kitchen, baking soda steps into the role of a versatile household cleaner. Its abrasive properties make it an effective and non-toxic scrubber, capable of tackling dirt and stains on various surfaces. When paired with vinegar, a dynamic foaming reaction occurs, turning this humble powder into a formidable cleaning solution. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, baking soda provides an eco-friendly alternative to commercial cleaners, leaving your home not only clean but also free from harsh chemicals. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more incredible health videos every week. 3. Deodorizer, banishing unwanted odors. The deodorizing prowess of baking soda is legendary. Acting as a natural odor neutralizer, it finds its place in refrigerators, freezers, closets, and even shoes, banishing unwanted smells with ease. Placing an open box in the refrigerator absorbs and eliminates food odors, ensuring that your ice doesn't take on the scent of last night's dinner. In closets, it works tirelessly to keep your clothes smelling fresh, and in shoes, it neutralizes odors, transforming them into pleasant spaces for your feet. Baking soda's deodorizing magic extends beyond its size, proving that sometimes the mightiest warriors come in the smallest packages. 4. Fire extinguisher, a guardian in emergencies. In emergencies, baking soda emerges as a surprising yet effective fire extinguisher for small grease or electrical fires. Its ability to release carbon dioxide when heated plays a pivotal role in smothering flames. However, it's crucial to emphasize that while baking soda can be a helpful tool in certain situations, it should never replace professional firefighting equipment. Understanding its limitations ensures that, when used judiciously, baking soda can be a guardian against unexpected flames, offering a moment of calm in times of crisis. 5. Oral health, a gentle dental ally. Baking soda extends its reach into the realm of oral health, becoming a gentle dental ally recognized for its mild abrasive properties. It finds a place in some toothpaste formulations. When applied during brushing, baking soda aids in removing plaque and stains from teeth, contributing to a brighter and healthier smile. Its natural deodorizing qualities further enhance its role in freshening breath, making it a valuable addition to oral care routines. Baking soda's presence in dental care exemplifies its versatility, showcasing how a kitchen staple can seamlessly integrate into our daily health rituals. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more incredible health videos weekly. 6. Insect bites and sunburn relief, nature's soothing balm. Venturing beyond the realms of household and culinary duties, baking soda transforms into nature's soothing balm for insect bites and sunburn relief. Mixed with water to form a paste, it becomes a comforting remedy for itching caused by insect bites. Applied topically, this paste also provides relief for the discomfort of sunburn, offering a cool and soothing sensation. Baking soda's gentle nature and anti-inflammatory properties make it a go-to solution for addressing common skin irritations, turning it into a household apothecary for minor skin ailments. 7. pH regulator, balancing act for pools and more. In the role of a pH regulator, baking soda performs a balancing act in various scenarios. Particularly in swimming pools, where maintaining the right pH levels is crucial for water quality, baking soda proves its worth. By acting as a buffer, it helps control pH levels, preventing the water from becoming too acidic or too alkaline. This ensures a comfortable and safe swimming environment. Baking soda's versatility as a pH regulator extends beyond pools, showcasing its adaptability in scenarios where maintaining the right pH balance is essential for optimal performance and safety. Whether in aquatic recreation or household applications, baking soda demonstrates its prowess as a reliable pH guardian. 8. Antacid Wonder, baking soda's digestive soothe. Delving into health, baking soda proves its worth as a natural antacid. When ingested in controlled amounts, it acts as a rapid neutralizer for excess stomach acid. This makes it a home remedy for indigestion and heartburn, offering relief from digestive discomfort. However, it's crucial to use it judiciously, as excessive consumption may lead to side effects like electrolyte imbalance. 9. Spa treatment, baking soda's skin elixir. Transforming your bathroom into a spa, baking soda emerges as a skin elixir. When added to bathwater, it can help soothe irritated skin, providing relief from conditions like sunburn or rashes. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a gentle, natural remedy for various skin ailments. A baking soda bath offers a relaxing and rejuvenating experience, turning your self-care routine into a therapeutic escape. 10. Refrigerator Freshness Guardian, baking soda's odor neutralizer. As a stalwart guardian against lingering refrigerator odors, baking soda showcases its deodorizing prowess. Placing an open box in the fridge absorbs and neutralizes unwanted smells, ensuring your stored food remains untainted. This simple trick extends the freshness of perishables and transforms your refrigerator into an aromatic haven. 11. DIY Exfoliant, baking soda's gentle scrub. Navigating the realm of skincare, baking soda takes on the role of a gentle exfoliant. When combined with water, it forms a paste that can be used to exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and unclogging pores. Its fine particles make it suitable for sensitive skin, offering a cost-effective alternative to commercial exfoliating products. Regular use can contribute to a smoother, more radiant complexion. 12. Silverware Savior, baking soda's tarnish remover. In the realm of household maintenance, baking soda reveals its silverware-saving abilities. Crafting a paste with water, it becomes a gentle tarnish remover for silver items. Applying this mixture and buffing with a soft cloth can restore the luster to your silverware, sparing you the cost of specialized cleaning products. Baking soda proves once again that its usefulness extends far beyond the confines of the kitchen, making it a versatile and indispensable household staple. In each of these magical moments, baking soda showcases its remarkable versatility, proving that even the smallest ingredient can bring extraordinary wonders to various aspects of our daily lives. Share your favorite baking soda magic moment in the comments below, and let's keep the enchantment alive. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more incredible health videos every week. We really appreciate your support as always. Take care.